Arise, my slumbering soul, arise, and learn what yet remains for thee to do. The signs are flaming in the skies. A struggling world would yet be free and live anew. The earthquake hath not yet been born, that soon shall rock the lands around beneath their base, immortal freedom's thunder horn, as yet yields but a doleful sound to Europe's race. Look round my soul and see and say, if those about thee understand their mission here, the will to smite, the power to slay, abound in every heart and hand afar and near. But God must yet the conqueror's sword pierce mind as heart in this proud hero. Dream it not, it sounds a false blaspheming word, begot and born of moral fear and ill begot. To leave the world a name is not to leave a name for glorious deeds and works of love, a name to awaken lightning thought and fire the soul of him who reads this tells above. Napoleon sinks today before the ungilded shrine, the single soul of Washington. Truth's name alone shall man adore, long as the waves of time shall roll henceforward on. My countrymen, my words are weak, my health is gone, my soul is dark, my heart is chill. Yet would I fain and fondly seek to see you born in freedom's bark or ocean still. Beseech your God and bide your hour. He cannot, will not long be dumb. Even now his tread is heard o'er earth with coming power, and coming, trust me, it will come, else were he dead.